You save $500 a month for 3 years. You log into your investment account. $19,000. Congratulations! You could almost buy a used Honda Civic. Meanwhile, your coworker who started investing 10 years ago posted his portfolio grew $47,000 last quarter. He didn't add a cent. The market did that while he was on vacation. Why does it feel so unfair? Why does it feel like your money is asleep while everyone else's is working overtime? That's the invisible truth about building wealth. The beginning feels impossible. And if you've ever wondered why your bank account barely moves even though you're doing everything right, this is why. Pushing the boulder, early investing. Picture this, a 2-ton boulder sitting at the bottom of a mountain. Every inch forward takes all your strength. Your legs shake, sweat drips, your arms burn. You've moved 12 feet in an hour, and the summit seems miles away. This is you from zero to your first $100,000. Slow, frustrating, exhausting. And yes, it feels impossible because right now you're doing 100% of the work. Every month you save diligently, max out your Roth IRA, live below your means. Yet your portfolio crawls like a snail. It's tempting to think, am I failing? Ever wonder why the first 100K feels invisible? It's not failure, it's physics. Your contributions are the only thing moving it, and market returns are tiny on such a small base. Compound interest is working silently, but on a tiny sum, it barely whispers. Why does the early years feel brutal? Let's break it down. If you have $5,000 invested and the market goes up 10%, you make $500. Nice, but it doesn't feel like money working for you. Your $500 dinner, that's all you see. The brutal truth, for most people, the first 5 to 7 years of investing, almost all growth comes from manual contributions. The romantic idea of compound interest feels like a lie because you can't see it yet. You save $6,000 this year, the market gives $400. You think, I did all the work, and you're right. The market isn't magic yet, it's just getting started. This is the phase where people quit. They see friends upgrading lifestyles, buying cars, going on trips, while their own accounts crawl forward. They ask, what's the point? The point is, you're building the foundation for a machine that will eventually run without you. Foundations are underground. Nobody cheers for poured concrete, but without it, the building collapses. The first $100,000, activation. Mathematically, it takes 7 to 8 years to hit your first $100,000. That assumes consistent contributions, average market returns, and no panic selling. Once you hit 6 figures, a 10% market year doesn't give $500, it gives $10,000. Your money finally starts pulling its weight. Suddenly, you notice your contributions are amplified by forces you don't control. That's the snowball effect kicking in. The next $100,000, from 100K to 200K, usually takes 5 years. Momentum has kicked in. The boulder is visibly rolling. People start saying, it's really picking up steam, and they aren't lying. Micro story break. Sarah. Meet Sarah. 3 years ago, she started investing $500 a month. Her account now reads $23,000. Every month, she watches her coworkers buy cars, go on vacations, and she wonders if she's missing out. She feels frustrated, exhausted, tempted to quit. But Sarah keeps going. She tells herself, this is boring, slow, and invisible, but I'm building something bigger. 8 years later, she crosses $100,000. The snowball starts rolling. Momentum finally works for her. That frustration? Temporary, necessary. The lesson, the pain of the early years is the foundation for exponential growth. Scaling up, 500K and beyond. At 400 to 500K, a strong market year can add $60,000 to $80,000. You probably contributed $15,000. The market did the rest. That's the snowball effect in full force. Rhetorical break. Ever wonder why it suddenly feels like money is working harder than you are? That's because now it is. Your relationship with money changes. Market swings don't scare you. Your portfolio is math at scale. Visual cue. chart showing early growth versus growth at 500K, highlighting the exponential slope. The psychological challenge, 7-figure temptation. Here's the hidden trap. Psychology, not math, becomes the challenge. You hit 7 figures. Your brain says, I should be doing something fancy with this money. Maybe you buy a rental, upgrade lifestyle, or invest in a side business. You just converted a passive snowball into active work, potentially slowing exponential growth. The boring truth, the best thing you can do with a 7-figure portfolio is nothing. Let it compound. History proves it beats most hedge funds, landlords, and entrepreneurs over decades. Rhetorical break. Do you want to touch the snowball or let it run the mountain for you? The temptation to inflate lifestyle is real. You've sacrificed for years, and now it's finally tempting to reward yourself. But even small withdrawals delay the compounding engine you've been building for decades. The payoff, financial freedom. Discipline pays off. Keep contributing and ignoring lifestyle inflation, and numbers get absurd. $2 million at 55, around $80,000 annually with minimal contribution. $3 million at 60, $120,000 a year, inflation adjusted, forever. You've built a machine generating wealth while you sleep. That's the difference between cashing out early and staying the course. Rhetorical break. Imagine losing 6 months of salary in a market dip and not even flinching. That's the power of compounding. Visual cue. Animation of snowball rolling downhill, compounding automatically, while portfolio numbers jump in real time. Lessons for every stage. Building wealth isn't just about saving money, it's about how you approach every stage of the journey. There are clear lessons to learn no matter where you are, whether you're just starting or already sitting on $500,000. 1. Automate your contributions. The first rule is simple: set it and forget it. If you automate your investments, you remove the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Your portfolio grows consistently without requiring mental effort every month. Even $200 or $500 a month adds up faster than you think when compounded over years. Automation isn't just convenient, it's a disciplined shortcut. 2. Stay consistent. Consistency beats timing. You don't need to predict the market or chase trends. You just need to show up every month, rain or shine. Missing a month or pulling out because the market dipped early on can set you back years in the long run. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built with small, reliable contributions over time. 3. Ignore lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, so does the temptation to spend more. Buying a nicer car, moving to a bigger apartment, taking extravagant vacations. These are the silent killers of the snowball effect. Every dollar you divert from investing slows down the moment your money starts working for you. Treat every raise, bonus, or extra paycheck as fuel for the snowball. 4. Don't touch the snowball. The hardest lesson: resist temptation. The money in your portfolio is like a boulder on a slope. Every withdrawal, no matter how small, pushes back the snowball and delays the activation point. Avoid early spending, even for things that feel justified. The compounding engine only runs efficiently if it's left alone. Numbers are relentless, but if you reach financial independence without purpose, money won't satisfy. True freedom comes when you build a life worth living, even without the portfolio. Nobody celebrates the first $100,000. No parade, no trophy. You log in one Tuesday, see 6 figures, and feel nothing. That's the point. The activation isn't flashy, it's inevitable. You've built a system that works without motivation, inspiration, or timing. The boring middle phase between broke and free is where wealth quietly grows. The snowball rolls, you barely notice. Final punchline: the snowball rolls. Keep pushing. One day, it will carry you all the way.
Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.